Photon may not be able to feel emotions, but it can certainly emulate them and help children develop them. In this section, I'll show you how Photon robot helps foster social and emotional development in children. To control the robot, we are going to use a mobile device or a desktop computer. When working with a group of students, you can develop their teamwork and cooperation skills by teaching them to communicate not only with the robot, but most importantly with one another. While working with the robot, students will inevitably face many unnerving situations when, for example, the robot does not do what they had intended. By encountering such situations, students learn to manage their emotions and discover the importance of compromising. As you probably know, there is usually more than one way of solving any given task, and it is up to the students to choose the one they believe to be the best. Taking part in a class project also increases the pupils' engagement. The robot boasts colored LEDs, which are placed in its ears and eyes. You can ascribe different meanings to them, for example, by associating red with anger and green with happiness. The robot also comes with a variety of sound effects that can complement the colors, making it easier for the students to recognize different emotions. The colors and sounds can also help students identify their own qualities and talents, as well as those of their peers, which is a great way of developing awareness and building relationships. What's more, our ready-to-use lesson scenarios and exercises that promote social and emotional development give students a chance to talk about their feelings, share them, and respond appropriately to the emotions of their peers. Using educational mats, flashcards, and other tools available within the Photon ecosystem, students improve their overall social awareness. Teachers can also create stories where students will learn to solve conflicts, stand up for the robot and protect it, encourage it, and support it. When thinking of education, we often forget about the most important piece of the puzzle, the emotional well-being of our children. We developed the Social Emotional Learning Kit to change that. All activities in the kit are based on the leading social emotional learning methodology developed by CASEL, which stands for Collaborative for Academic, Social, and Emotional Learning. With this kit, students will learn how to deal with difficult situations, function better in family, school, and society as a whole. They will also learn how to better deal with aggression, stress, and negative emotions, and understand the importance of teamwork, self-discipline, and mutual respect. What's important is that when working with the robot, it is the robot who makes mistakes, not the student. That way, students are not afraid of experimenting and trying new things, making the learning process that much easier and less stressful. By using Photon in a group setting, children learn to compromise, regulate their emotions, and express empathy. The robot can express emotions by changing the eye and ear colors, as well as by making emotive sounds. Free lesson plans supporting children's social, emotional development can be found on the Photon portal. The Social Emotional Learning Kit includes extra lesson plans and a set of activities that develop competencies in this area.